The term Springfield rifle may refer to any one of several types of small arms produced by the Springfield Armory in Springfield, Massachusetts, for the United States Armed Forces. In modern usage, the term Springfield rifle most commonly refers to the Springfield Model 1903 rifled musket, Springfield Model 1855 rifled musket, Springfield Model 1861 rifled musket, Springfield Model 1863 rifled musket, single-shot rifle, Springfield Model 1865 breech-loading rifle first Allen, Springfield Model 1866 breech-loading rifle second Allen, Springfield Model 1868 trapdoor Springfield, Springfield Model 1869 trapdoor Springfield, Springfield Model 1870 trapdoor Springfield, Springfield Model 1870 Remington Navy rolling block, Springfield Model 1871 Remington Army rolling block, Springfield Model 1873 trapdoor Springfield, Springfield Model 1875 officer's rifle, Springfield Model 1877 carbine, Springfield Model 1880 triangular rod bayonet rifle, Springfield Model 1882 short rifle, Springfield Model 1884 rifle, Springfield Model 1886 24 carbine, Springfield Model 1888 round rod bayonet rifle, repeating rifle, Springfield Model 1892-99 Krag-Jørgensen rifle, Springfield Model 1903 the standard U.S. military rifle of the World War I and interwar era, Springfield Model 1922 training rifle in .22 caliber, semi-automatic rifle, M1 Garand, M14 rifle. There were also numerous limited production, experimental, marksmanship, and sporting rifles produced by the Springfield Armory which are referred to as Springfield rifles. Some examples of the smoothbore Springfield Model 1842 musket that were later modified with rifling and used during the American Civil War may also be referred to as Springfield rifles. The Krag-Jørgensen, M1 Garand, and M14 rifles are not typically referred to as Springfield rifles, even though they were rifles manufactured by the Springfield Armory for the U.S. military.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.